Looking for one of the most luxurious buffet experiences in Metro Manila? Today we're taking you inside NYX at One Ayala, Makati, where elegant interiors meet an impressive spread of international and Asian cuisine, premium meats, fresh seafood, decadent desserts, and unlimited wines and signature cocktails. Whether you're celebrating a birthday, anniversary, planning a romantic date, enjoying a family gathering, or simply treating yourself to a luxurious dining experience, stay with us until the end because we're showing you everything NYX has to offer. NYX is located on Level 4, Alfresco Dining, One Ayala, along Ayala Avenue, corner EDSA in Makati City. Lunch is served from 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m., while dinner is available from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. One thing guests love is that there is no dining time limit, allowing everyone to enjoy their meal at a relaxed pace. Reservations are highly recommended, especially on weekends and holidays. Weekday lunch starts at 1,988 pesos per adult. Dinner, weekends, and holidays offer two buffet choices. NYX Core Buffet is at 2,488 pesos. And for an even more luxurious experience, NYX Prime Buffet is at 2,988 pesos. Senior citizens and persons with disabilities enjoy discounted buffet rates, making this premium dining experience even more accessible. Guests choosing the NYX Prime Buffet receive everything from the core buffet plus one premium signature selection. The 5 premium choices include Hokkaido oyster, US scallop, foie gras, lobster, and Beef Wellington. These premium selections are beautifully displayed inside elegant glass showcases. Ordering at NYX is incredibly convenient. Guests scan the QR code found on their table, select their specialty dishes, and the waitstaff will serve them directly to their table. This modern ordering system minimizes waiting time and creates a smoother, more luxurious dining experience. Let's begin our food adventure at one of the buffet's finest sections, the Charcuterie Station. Choose from premium Iberico pork, prosciutto ham, artisan sausages, and imported cheeses included cheddar, manchego, and creamy brie. Pair them with pressed fruits for the perfect balance of sweet and savory flavors. It's an excellent way to start your dining experience. NYX offers an incredible journey through flavors from around the world. Asian favorites include lamb biryani, barramundi, spicy duck caldereta, Korean fire chicken, Thai green curry pork, Filipino beef kare-kare, and seafood fried rice. There are also braised beef with mashed potatoes, braised tofu squares, garlic chili shrimp, braised mushrooms with broccoli, steamed grouper, braised pork belly with quail eggs, mala chicken, shrimp ceviche, tuna and salmon poke bowls, Thai basil meat rolls, Thai pork belly and shrimp skewers, and Asian beef barbecue. Every station showcases beautifully prepared dishes bursting with authentic flavors. The Chinese station features many well-loved classics. Enjoy chichao dumplings, crystal dumplings, chicken peat, pork siomai, beef siomai, hakao, xiaolongbao, and one of the buffet's most popular attractions, the flavorful Beijing duck. Japanese cuisine is another major highlight. Enjoy freshly fried chicken karaage and crispy shrimp tempura. Fresh sashimi selections include octopus, kingfish, sime saba, tuna, salmon, and snapper. Everything is carefully prepared with restaurant quality standards for maximum freshness. Best paired with vinegared side dishes. These light, refreshing, salad pickled options complement the clean flavors of raw fish without weighing down the meal. Beside the sashimi station is an impressive sushi bar featuring beautifully crafted uramaki rolls, flavorful maki, and specialty nigiri rolls prepared by skilled sushi chefs right before your eyes. Seafood lovers are definitely in for a treat. NYX serves fresh mussels, prawns, and clams paired with flavorful cocktail sauces. The seafood selection is continuously replenished throughout service to ensure every serving remains fresh and delicious. Now for one of the biggest highlights of the buffet, the magnificent meat and carving station. Choose from perfectly cooked rib-eye steak, roast beef, lamb leg, crispy lechon pork belly, boneless roast chicken, salt-baked salmon, and slow-roasted pork belly. Each cut is expertly prepared, tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. The Western section offers another impressive lineup. Enjoy sea bass confit, short ribs marbella, Moroccan beef shank with herb cheese, duck ragu ravioli, classic pepperoni pizza, and smoked salmon pizza. Every dish reflects premium ingredients and refined culinary craftsmanship. Using NYX QR ordering system, we also tried several specialty dishes. These included steak and frites, NYX Caesar salad, lechon de leche, hot prawn salad, Asian pulpo with poached egg, duck satay with Poland Thai noodles, seafood laksa, Beijing duck wrap, steak cut, ox tongue, pork cheese pimiento brulee, prosciutto with arugula and cheese, NYX lasagna, and seared wagyu aburi. Every plate arrived beautifully presented and freshly prepared, thus elevating our dining pleasure. One of the most enjoyable surprises was the NYX sliders. These gourmet mini burgers come in several delicious varieties, including foie gras terrine, Philly cheese, smashed wagyu cheese, mint cheese, and fried chicken. Small in size, but loaded with flavor. Now it's time for dessert. NYX features one of the most elegant dessert stations in the city. Choose from chocolate roll, caramel cake, tiramisu, tres leches, chocolate igot, cheese roll, colorful macaroons, premium chocolates, biscuits, creamy gelato with fruits and nuts, and an assortment of beautifully presented desserts served in elegant cups and shot glasses. Every dessert is as visually stunning as it is delicious. You'll definitely find yourself coming back for seconds or even thirds. The beverage selection is equally impressive. Guests enjoy agua fresca or freshly squeezed juices, unlimited soft drinks, hot coffee and tea, free-flowing beer, unlimited red and white wine, mocktails, and signature cocktails. One standout is the elegant Amber Blossom, a light, floral cocktail perfect for celebrating life's special moments. Planning to celebrate your birthday? NYX offers a 5+1 birthday promo valid within 7 days starting from your birthday. Guests are also encouraged to observe the restaurant smart casual dress code. NYX at One Ayala delivers one of the finest luxury buffet experiences in Metro Manila. From premium carving stations and pressed seafood to international cuisine, elegant desserts, and unlimited wines and cocktails, every visit truly feels like a celebration. The outstanding customer service, sophisticated ambience, beautifully presented dishes, and innovative QR ordering system elevate the experience even further. Whether you're celebrating an anniversary, birthday, business lunch, or simply rewarding yourself after a busy week, NYX is absolutely worth a visit. Kudos to the talented chefs and dedicated staff for creating an extraordinary dining experience that combines exceptional flavors with world-class presentation. For inquiries and reservations, contact the Vikings Group at 8845-4647. Would we recommend it? Absolutely! If you enjoyed this luxury buffet tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more buffet reviews, restaurant pictures, food adventures, and delicious discoveries around the city. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next food adventure.